Hi Sanjay ji.
Yeah,
So how was your journey to Gandhinagar and ENGIMACH?
very fine, sir. Very nice. I'm from Anand, and especially to looking about the engineering product and engineering tooling, we just visited this engineering.
Great, great.
It's a
So,
good
so you have visited our booth, Jyoti's booth.
Yeah, sure,
So,
sir, sure.
what's your opinion for the machines which we have displayed?
It is a pleasure to know that we are already your customer.
Yeah.
We already procured one machine that's CNC turning. Now we are going to procure one another machine we adding in our facility.
That's great.
It's a VMC.
Right.
It's a good technology you have. And as per the looking the forward, the automation situations,
Right.
you are adding more and more automation in your machines. It's a good for the engineering.
Yeah, I would like to share you that we have more than 10 machines which are 10 products which are integrated with automation.
Oh.
So we offer integrated automation along with CNC turning centers, as well as we have robo integrations. So I know nowadays we have lots of problem with the manpower and the labor.
Right.
So we offer combination of turning centers and VMC along with robo. We offer gantry automation.
Okay.
So it's a future. It's a future to give a better productivity and reliability in your shop.
It's nice to hear that you are also going for the robot automation,
Yeah.
because in our manufacturing line also we are looking for the robotics automation, because we are a hand-to-hand manual work operation. So we will get together work about the automation and looking a very nice cooperation from the Jyoti.
So one more thing I want to know, as you said, one machine is running at your floor. So I want to know what are the inputs, what other inputs you have for Jyoti.
About the machining part and the precision quality, it's a good.
Right.
Very good, but we are looking for the pick and place, more addition about the automation for the component pick and place. If is it possible in the future, you please add in your machines.
Yeah, we have our team, special team for automation
Okay.
integration. Even
Okay.
at your place, if machine is installed,
Yeah.
we can work on it according to your job. We
Yeah.
can design the pick and place mechanism for you.